Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This video is one on solving simultaneous equations using substitution method. Now if you don't know what simultaneous equations mean, it means that two equations exist simultaneously. So for example, one question could be like this. Right. So in this particular case, this is an equation here and this is another equation here. So I have an unknown here, x, and I have an unknown here, y. They both exist in one equation. I have another unknown here, x, and another unknown here, y, and they both exist in the second equation. So I'm going to follow these set of steps here in order to figure out what is x and what is y. Now, my first step says I'm going to label my two equations 1 and 2. Naturally, my first equation is equation 1, and my second equation is equation 2. Step 1 is done. Secondly, I'm going to alter one equation so that one of the variables is the subject of the formula. And once I do this, I'm going to call this equation 3. Now to do this, I have to do a little bit of analysis. I have to look at my two equations and say, okay, which one is the simpler equation? Now, to me, this one looks like the simpler one because my coefficients here are 1 and minus 1. So I will choose equation 2. So I will head up, choosing 2. X minus y is equal to minus 4. I could send this over here. I'll get x is equal to minus 4 plus y. And I'll call this equation 3. So that means I've covered step 2. Once I've moved on to step 2, now it's time to go into step 3. So in step 3, I now have to substitute equation 3, this equation here, into the equation that I did not choose, which is equation 1. So I'll show you how. So to do that, I will write back equation 1, 5x plus 2y is 29, and I'm going to put this into this. So I have to write here, substitute 3 into 1. So instead of x here, I'm going to write this line here. I'm going to write 5 bracket minus 4 plus y plus 2y is equal to 29. So this will be minus 20 plus 5y plus 2y is equal to 29, which would end up being 7y is equal to, I'll send this over here, 29 plus 20. 7y is equal to 49. So then y is 49 on 7, 7. So I now have one of my unknowns. I now know the value of y. That completes step 3 and step 4. Lastly, once I've gotten one of my values, I want to substitute this value, y is equal to 7, into, I could go into 1, 2, or 3. I'll just go into 1. So I have 5x plus 2y is 29. I'm going to put y here. So 5x plus 2 by 7 is equal to 29. 5x plus 14 is 29. 5x is equal to 29 minus 14. So 5x, 29 minus 14 is 15. So x would be 15 on 5, 3. So my answers, everyone, would be x is 3 and y is 7. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you understand.